This mini trampoline workout with bar attachment is just 10 minutes long. This is beginner friendly, or maybe it's something you want to tap on to the beginning or end of your workout. All you need to do is grab your trampoline and make sure you do hit that subscribe button and the bell so you do not miss any workouts. Hey, if you're looking for more content from me, make sure you click that join button below. Go ahead and get yourself on the trampoline. I am gonna do this barefoot. Shoes are optional. If you're gonna wear a shoe, have it a flat shoe, like a training shoe. I highly recommend not using a running shoe. It'll have you wobbling all over the place. And if you want to, you could also wear socks with grips. We're gonna start with squats, so I'm gonna have my hands on the handlebar, feet are open, eyes are up, and we drop. All right, we're gonna really warm up that body. If your trampoline allows you to kind of lean back, I do jump on a jump sport with the mini handlebar attachment. And I'm using bungees, that's the resistance on this trampoline, and they are adjustable. 2 more, and then you're gonna drop and hold for a 3 count. Drop, hold here. Do it again, drop, hold. 2 more. And then we're gonna alternate heels lifting, right then left. Big heel lift, right, left, right. So really lift into the toe and push down through the heel, like you're punching into that trampoline. Keep your core braced. We're getting ready for that basic bounce. Both feet push down, the whole foot. Again, light hands on that handlebar. Doesn't have to be a big jump here. Keep your basic. Knees are a little bit soft, shoulders are back, eyes are up, and it feels like the knees pop up toward the chest. We're gonna get ready to push the heel out, right, left. Option to let go with one hand. To your basic bounce. How's it feeling? Keep it out again. Heels, right, left. Maybe you feel a little bit better and you can take 2 hands off. Basic bounce right here. All right, check your posture, check your technique through the whole foot. Core is braced like you're gonna cough. How about we bring it in for a few more narrow stance and back out to wide. Pull it in. Back wide. Stay. Super job. All right, we're just gonna start to shake the hips a little bit. When you shake the hip, your heel lifts up and you push down into it, just like when we did in the warm-up. You can get a little sassy, toss that hair. Hit the basic right here. Here come the heels again, right, left. How about you do 2 on the right, 2 left. Basic. We got some scissors coming up. You're gonna take the feet front to back. 4, hold, and switch. Left foot forward, and then the right foot forward. And when you're picking up those feet, ooh, your core needs to be on. How about the heels? Can we go right to them? Right and left. Or if you need to, you always go back to basic. Basic. Scissor, right foot forward, 4 count, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. Heels, right, left. It's like a dance, right? Basic. Scissors, 4 right foot forward, and switch. How about doubles? 2 front, switch. Basic. How'd you make out? Maybe you can just let go for a moment. All right, we just got one more song. I'm gonna shake a little bit. How about you? I'm gonna shake my hips. That's what I'm gonna shake. It feels good to shake those hips. It's gonna use your core. We're gonna do some twisting here. We call it surfing. I'm gonna surf my right hip to you. 4. Hold basic. So now here comes that left hip. It's gonna turn. Lifting up the feet, turning. Hold basic. Let's try that again. 4. Right hip, we turn. 4. Hold basic. And if you want to, let go a little bit, surf. Woo. Hold basic. 2 in, 2 out. So come narrow, come out. Or you just stay in basic. And all the moves we're doing today are grounded moves. Surf, right hip 4 times. 4. Hold your basic. Turn your left hip. Surf. Basic. All right, 2 in, 2 out. Grounded moves mean both feet stay on the trampoline. All right, let's add those heels, right, left. 4 more, and then we're gonna take it into that scissor. Right foot forward, 4. Left foot. Do it again. Hold basic. Bring it in, 2 out, 2. You guys ready to surf? Hold it out, surf right, let's go. 4. Hold basic. Surf left. Basic. Heels, right, left. So you got it. 4 to go. Scissor, right foot forward, 4 count, and switch. 2 again. Basic. 2 in, 2 out. Hold it out, the basic. That is it. Oh my gosh, you did so great. All right, we're gonna bring it down a little bit, do a quick stretch and get you out of here. I'm gonna have you step off with your left leg and do a little lunge. Stretch out that hip flexor, chest is up, push that heel back. And then we're gonna take it into a hamstring stretch with the leg that's on the trampoline. So toes up, chest drops. And then step off to the side. Quad stretch on that left leg. Pull that heel to your butt. Now, if you're looking for more, make sure you do check out my 2-week beginner trampoline challenge. That will take you through all of what you need to know to become a better jumper. And I know in the videos we're not using a handlebar, but use your handlebar and then maybe eventually you can use it a little bit less and less each time. All right, I'm gonna walk to the other side and switch into that lunge. And do make sure you are doing your stretching. It's gonna help you in every part of your life, not just your workouts. Because I want you to wake up tomorrow and feel amazing. So stretching can really be a key component for that. All right, toes come up, hamstring stretch. Off to the side, quad stretch. And what's great about this trampoline that you have, you can do so many things with it, not just jumping on it. I love to use it too with strength training, resistance bands, and bar stuff. It's such a great tool. I'm so glad you have it. And release, roll the shoulders back. And then stretch out that wrist, fingers down, and switch. Reach it up and give me a side stretch. And switch that arm. And another shoulder roll. Again, you did so amazing. Give yourself a big inhale, having that attitude of gratitude. Reach it up, reach it back. Pull it into your heart. Feel it beating, right? It's keeping you alive. You're doing something so amazing for it. One more big inhale here. And let it go. Oh my God, I'm so proud of you, yay. Do make sure if you enjoyed the workout, you thumb it up. Comment below, I love hearing from you. Let me know what trampoline you're using. I do use, like you heard me before, this is the Jump Sport trampoline with the short bar. It's 39-inch with adjustable bungees, which makes it so that I can have a firmer bounce or a softer bounce. So that's what's really great about the Jump Sport. Just make sure if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you not miss any workouts. And I will see you back on that trampoline. Take care.